With the rise in global competition, productivity has become more important than ever. Simultaneously, the rapid rate of technological advancement has made it difficult to effectively track new solutions for optimizing efficiency and minimizing costs. As a company that defines its success through the success of its customers, Sandvik Coromant established the Productivity Improvement Program, or PIP, to overcome the challenges facing today's manufacturers. The PIP is one of Sandvik Coromant's most prominent and successful efforts to bolster the bottom line of the customer's business. The PIP was born out of Sandvik Coromant's belief that today's manufacturer needs a full-fledged tooling partner rather than a supplier. Participation in the program allows a shop to benefit from the latest technological innovations without dedicating an excessive amount of time to tracking developments within the industry. Since 2009, with PIPs leading the way, Sandvik Coromant provided its customers over 13 crore rupees in documented cost savings. To begin the PIP process, a team of Sandvik Coromant Solutions leaders meets with a manufacturer to determine which areas of production should be targeted. The team then gathers comprehensive data on the processes, including currently used tooling, machine, programs, and more.
Aesthetics frame requirement has suddenly increased to 310 numbers per year as against 150 numbers we produce normally. It was not possible to fulfill this double requirement on present horizontal machining center. That is why we contacted Sandvik Coromant for PIP service.
In-depth analysis then yields suggested changes to the existing manufacturing process. The PIP team examines options for target jobs. Productivity analyzer reports are run to determine possible benefits. The separator frame machining was a bottleneck and consumed humongous time in terms of man-machine hours. Though the machine setup was modern, there was ample scope of improvement in tooling, implementing modern techniques of machining, and a complete new tooling solution. As they review the comprehensive job information, members of the PIP team take note of any potential improvements and determine which options would provide the best results.
Keeping in the mind objective of 25% reduction in the cycle time, PIP team gave their recommendation of 40% productivity increase.
Possible solutions are tested out on the shop floor. And the results of these trials are presented to the customer. Technologically improved machining techniques and new optimized tooling were suggested to Alpha Laval for overcoming the machining challenges that they were facing for quite some time.
We at Alpha Laval studied their reports and gave a go-ahead for trials. As they promised, they deliver 40% saving in the cycle time.
While the reports generated through a PIP represent significant value to the partnering company, the process does not end there. During the final phase of a PIP, the team helps to guide the implementation of changes on the shop floor. Productivity engineers follow up with the partnering company to ensure the full realization of savings.
Well, we have had a couple of PIPs previously, but this PIP was especially good because we did it in a period of 3 days. We are able to reduce 40% of our cycle times and setup times in the PIP.
The PIP effected a reduced cycle time from 316.8 minutes to 161 minutes, which generated approximately 444 hours of yearly savings in production time, generating an additional production capacity of 166 components per year. The savings gained were a whopping 26,71,836 rupees per year. Moreover, the time saved could now be utilized for more production. A PIP improves overall profitability by increasing machining efficiency, reducing individual unit cost, and eliminating unnecessary waste of both time and material. Each PIP is specifically tailored to the unique intricacies of a manufacturer's operations, identifying potential for improvement on a comprehensive level.
The PIP service was a very enriching experience, I would say, from my point of view. It has been a time-bound concept, and the results which we have derived from the concept have been really outstanding. More and more engineering industries should opt for this kind of PIP because it has been an outstanding experience.
Find out what a productivity improvement program can do for your business.